Right now, historical YouTube channels are pulling millions of views, exploding in growth, and earning massive amounts from YouTube with videos about wars, empires, kings, mysteries, and forgotten events from the past. But the real reason these videos go viral isn't just history. It's because they know how to keep viewers hooked from beginning to end with powerful storytelling and cinematic visuals. And if you're thinking about starting a channel in this niche, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you exactly how to create professional historical videos the easy way using completely free tools. You'll learn how to craft engaging stories, generate high-quality visuals, animate scenes so they actually feel alive, and combine everything into a polished final video people genuinely want to watch. So don't waste any time, let's jump straight into it. Before we start the tutorial, I want to show you a few channels in this niche that are already doing extremely well. What's interesting is that these channels are creating AI-assisted content and have successfully built large audiences around it. For example, here you can see one of the top channels in this niche. It has over 211,000 subscribers with only 44 uploaded videos. That is an impressive result and shows the strong demand for this type of content. Similarly, here is another channel that has grown to more than 13,000 subscribers with only 15 videos. This demonstrates that even newer creators can gain traction quickly when they consistently produce high-quality content in the right niche. And this one really surprised me. It is a brand new channel with only 3 uploaded videos, yet it has already achieved monetization. This clearly shows the potential of this niche when you combine engaging topics, strong storytelling, and quality visuals. To make things easier and faster for you, I've already created a master template prompt that can help you generate scripts and all the related content needed for your videos. This template is designed to streamline the entire workflow and save you a lot of time during the content creation process. You can find the link to this document in the video description below. First, open ChatGPT. Once it is loaded, go back to your document file and copy the full master template prompt. Make sure you copy the entire prompt carefully because it is quite long and every part of it is important for the best results. Now paste this prompt into the ChatGPT input box and click Generate. After that, ChatGPT will automatically start giving you around 10 different topic ideas based on the template. Take your time and go through these ideas. Select the one that you find most interesting or suitable for your video. For example, here I am choosing the entire history of ancient Egypt. Once you select your topic, copy it and paste it back into ChatGPT using the same conversation. Now ChatGPT will ask you about the video duration. For this tutorial, I am choosing 8 minutes to keep the video clear and not too long, but you can choose any duration depending on your needs. After selecting the duration, ChatGPT will begin generating a complete, ready-to-use video script for you. This script will be structured, detailed, and ready for editing or direct use in your video. Once your script is ready, go back to your document file again and copy the second master template prompt. Make sure you copy it completely so nothing is missed. After copying, paste this prompt into ChatGPT and click Generate. This time, ChatGPT will ask you to provide the script. Now scroll up to your previous output, copy the entire script carefully, and paste it into the prompt box. Then click Generate again. At this stage, ChatGPT will start creating detailed video prompts for you. Each line of your script will be handled separately, and every video prompt will be specifically matched to the exact meaning of that line. This means you will get a complete visual guide for your entire video, showing exactly what needs to appear on screen for each part of the script. It makes the whole video creation process much easier, more organized, and ready for production. Once you have all the video prompts ready, let's move on to the next step. Now open Flow AI and start a new project. Once the project is created, you will see a clean and simple interface. Next, go back to ChatGPT and copy the first scene's video prompt. Then return to Flow AI. Before generating the video, Set the aspect ratio to 16:9, select the Omni Flesh model, and set the video duration to 10 seconds. Once these settings are configured, paste the prompt into the prompt box and click Generate. Flow AI will begin creating your first video clip. While Flow AI is working on the first scene, go back to ChatGPT and copy the second video prompt. Paste it into Flow AI and click Generate again. Repeat the same process for the third prompt. You will need to wait a few moments while Flow AI generates the videos. As you can see, several clips have already been created. Let me show them to you one by one. If you look closely, these videos match the script extremely well. The visuals are perfectly aligned with the story and accurately represent life in ancient times. The scenes, environments, characters, and overall atmosphere fit naturally with the narration, making the content much more engaging and immersive for viewers. The quality of the generated clips looks impressive, and each scene helps bring the story to life in a visually appealing way. This is exactly what we want, because strong visuals can significantly improve viewer retention and make the documentary feel more professional and enjoyable to watch. In this example, I am not using the Pro version of Flow AI, so there are some generation limits. Because of that, I will create a few clips first and then continue generating the remaining scenes using different accounts. You can follow the same method if you are using the free version. Simply keep working through the prompts one by one until all of your scenes are completed. It may take a little more time, but the process is still very simple and effective. Just continue copying each video prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Flow AI, and generate the corresponding scene. Repeat this process until every prompt has been turned into a video clip. Once all the clips are generated, you will have all the visual assets needed for your documentary. Now open DupDub AI and click on the Products section. From the available options, select Text-to-Speech. This will take you to a clean interface where you will see a large script box in the center of the screen. Next, go back to ChatGPT, where you generated your documentary script, and copy the entire script. Return to DupDub AI and paste the script into the script box. On the right-hand side, you will see a More Voices option. Click on it, and a pop-up window will appear displaying a wide range of AI voices. Take some time to listen to a few different options and choose the one that best matches the style and tone of your documentary. Once you have selected your preferred AI voice, click on the Export button. Choose MP3 as the output format, and then click Export again to begin generating the voiceover. After the export process is complete, download and save the voiceover file to your device. This audio file will be used later when we assemble and edit the final video, making the entire production process much faster and easier. In the final step, open CapCut and import both your voiceover file and all the video clips you generated earlier. Once everything is imported, start by dragging the voiceover onto the timeline, as it will act as the main structure of your entire video. Next, add your video clips one by one and match them carefully with the corresponding parts of the script. Make sure each clip visually represents the message being delivered in the voiceover, so everything feels smooth, meaningful, and well-connected. If any clip is too long, you can trim it or adjust the speed to better fit the timing of the narration. This helps maintain a clean and professional flow throughout the video. After that, add text overlays where needed to make the video more engaging and documentary style. You can highlight key points or important ideas to make it easier for viewers to follow along. Now, include background music, but keep the volume low so it does not overpower the voiceover. The narration should always remain clear and easy to understand. Finally, review your entire video carefully from start to finish. Check for any timing issues, mismatched clips, or areas that need small adjustments. Once everything looks perfect, export the video in 4K quality. Your professional, fully edited video is now ready.
Stand beside the Nile 5,000 years ago, and you would witness the birth of one of the greatest civilizations humanity has ever known. A land of gods, pyramids, golden kings, brutal invasions, forgotten tombs, and eternal legends. But Egypt was never just the pyramids. It was a civilization that survived famine, war, collapse, betrayal, conquest, and thousands of years of transformation, while much of the ancient world vanished into dust. And even today, its monuments still rise from the desert like echoes from another planet. This is the complete cinematic journey through the history of ancient Egypt.
That's it for this tutorial. Now you know the complete workflow to turn simple ideas into a full AI-generated video from start to finish. If this helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more AI tutorials like this.